Hi Alisa, have you ever noticed how people still get so shocked when a guy does chores?
Oh my gosh, yes, especially online. I saw this TikTok the other day, just a guy folding laundry, and the top comment was husband material. Like, really? You just folding clothes?
Right? As if a guy doing the simplest thing is suddenly the best man ever. It's just basic life skills.
Exactly. In my house, my dad always helping out, sweeping, washing dishes, sometimes even cooking. So I grew up thinking it was totally normal. But when I told a friend, she was shocked. Her dad apparently never even stepped into the kitchen.
Wow, that sounds so familiar. In my house, it was the opposite. My brother rarely did anything. I had to help my mom with everything, and when I asked why, she just said, "You're the girl, it's your job."
That mindset is so outdated, but sadly, it still exists in a lot of families. Like just because we're girl doesn't mean we're automatically responsible for all the housework.
Exactly. Especially now, when women also work, study, and have responsibilities outside the house, we're not living in the 1950 anymore.
Totally and honestly, I find it way more attractive when a guy is independent. When he knows how to cook, clean, do laundry, it shows he is responsible.
Me too. I'm not interested in someone who expects to be taken care of like a baby. If you're old enough to live on your own, you're old enough to clean up after yourself.
What's also funny is how when a girl know how to cook, people are like, of course. But when a guy cooks, suddenly he is being praised like he's a master chef.
Yes, or when a dad watches his kid for an hour, it's viral. But moms do that every day and no one says a word.
I once had a guy tell me, when I get married, I help my wife around the house. And I'm like, no, it's not helping. It's your shared responsibility.
Exactly. Even the word helping already implies that it's not really his job. When you live together, it should be our job, not hers.
Seriously, some guy wash one dish and act like they deserve a gold medal. Meanwhile, girls are expected to do everything like it's no big deal.
So true. And honestly, I think even some women still believe that men shouldn't be expected to do chores, which makes it harder to break the cycle.
That's the sad part. Like when some girls say, don't try him to clean or he'll get lazy with you. What? We're not supposed to accept less just because we're women.
Preach. Why should we normalize carrying all the burden? Being a woman doesn't mean we're born to serve others.
Exactly. And someday we'll be mom. If we don't shift this mindset now, we'll just keep passing it on to our son and daughter.
That's why it starts with our generation. We have to teach boys early on that housework is for everyone, not just the girls.
You know what? We should totally turn this into a campus project, like survey students about their views on gender role in the household.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. And it could make people reflect on their own experiences. We could call it something like shared roles, not shared burden.
Yes, we could ask questions like, do you think guys should know how to do chores? Or would you feel weird if your boyfriend did your laundry?
Exactly. And we could present the result with real data, maybe even make a short video presentation for our class.
This could actually spark a good discussion. People need to hear that doing chores isn't about being a man or a woman, it's about being a grown up.
Facts. And being responsible has no gender. The more we talk about this, the more people start to change how they think.
I love this. After my term, let's start working on it. Oh, and meanwhile, I keep training my older brother to realize that sweeping the floor isn't a crime.
Oh, good luck. If you succeed, you will be a hero to sister everywhere.
One brother at a time, Zara. One brother at a time.
Honestly, Dov, this is the kind of conversation I wish people had more often. It's not about hating on guys, it's about building better, more equal relationships.
Totally, because in the end, equality starts at home. If we don't share the small stuff, how are we ever going to share the big stuff?
You know what else annoys me? When some people say, well, if men do too much at home, women won't respect them anymore. Like what?
Oh yes, as if being helpful and responsible makes a man less of a man. That mindset is so toxic.
Exactly. Real respect comes from partnership, not control. I respect someone more when they treat me as an equal.
And honestly, I think the younger generation is starting to get it. I've seen more guys around us who cooks, clean, and don't make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, if noticed that too, it gives me hope. You know, like maybe our generation can actually build more balanced relationships.
Totally, I don't want a provider, I want a partner. Someone I can grow with, work with, and love with, even while folding laundry together.
That's the dream. That's the dream. I love both on sharing, not just flowers and dates, but also this is and deeper duty.
Yes, the kind of relationship where you both come home tired and one say, "You rest, I cook today," without expecting anything in return.
Exactly. Love is in the little things, like making each other's life easier, not harder.
We need more guys like that and more girls who believe they deserve that too. You know what? I really want in the future. If I have son, I want to raise him to see chores as a normal, not as something extra or for women.
Same. Like imagine how different the world would be if every boy grew up learning to cook, clean and care just like girls are expected to.
Exactly. And it shouldn't be seen as something special. It should be basic. A human being needs to know how to take care of their own space.
Totally. And I think schools could help too. Maybe classes that include real life skills like budgeting, cleaning, emotional communication, not just math and science.
That will be amazing. Imagine a generation where everyone, regardless of genders, leaves school knowing how to respect their partner and share responsibilities at home.
Honestly, I think that's the direction we're heading slowly but surely. And conversation like this, they're part of the change.
Yeah, I'm proud of us for talking about it openly. It's not always easy, especially when some people still hold onto old ideas.
Right. But I think change always starts with uncomfortable truths. And the more we talk, the more we inspire others to question and grow.
Absolutely. So here the future, where love, respect, and courage are shared equally.
Cheers to that, bestie. Now, come on, let's go to class before we both get marked absent for this deep talk.
Let's go changing the world one chat at a time.